going too fast and you lost your depth of that back flow of that water bubbling up. Okay, so that works really good. Reverse works good. You got your trim, you've got your oil sensor, your trim meter right here, your temperature over here, temperature up here. So then we can go back into here, we can just go into this one. Okay, so then the kicker motor, oh, here's how we can do this. This will be, might as well do this while I'm screwing around with that. We're gonna shut the motor off. Okay, this is an important thing. Just hit this check mark. That screen will come on there. You hit this button right here once, and then it's gonna show a picture right there of that. Now to deploy it, you hit 2 times on the circle, 1, 2, and let it do its thing. And it's going down, 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 Charlie Brown. And I kind of played with that. You may have to raise it up a hair, but right here seems like it's digging in this kind of wind. So then once it's down, there is a trim mode. You can hit this trim button and up and down and trim that motor up to the height you think that's going to act the best for you. So then you just hit this button, the speed comes on. We're at 8, that adjusts the speed. So this does the steering. I'm gonna steer it. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Right here, we're gonna just steer right here. And I'm gonna try to get that like course over ground to hold pretty close. 148, 149, 148, 149. Now I'm gonna hit the navigation button. Now I'm on navigation. 150, 151, 153, 155, 153, 154, 157, 154. So see, it's holding at 156. You just got to give it some time. 157. There you go. 156, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. Go back down. 7, 6, 5, 7, 8. Perfect. So that's working okay actually for this condition. So then you do spot lock. You hit this button right here, and now it's going to watch your speed over ground right here. So while it's doing all that kind of BS, I'm going to sit there and I'm going to turn this motor straight right back here. Then I'm going to get here. Now we're on spot lock, right on that. You got the skag a little bit missing off of that and off that cap plate. Back up under here is your tilt, and then you go down. Now I did change this fitting right here because the other fitting's right here, which is okay. I imagine it. I'll put it back on again, that it was sticking. So then to start this one up, you got to put this in gear and give it like 3-4 pumps and pull that choke when it's cold. When it's warm, you just leave it like that. And then you got this red mark and indentation, leave it like right there. You don't have to pull the choke. Make sure that's in neutral. And that's running real quiet. You can barely hear it. Now that's idling. We're at 0.3 miles an hour, 0.4, 0.3. So that's trying to hold us right in the court. 0.3, 0.2. That's pretty good. So then what you do on that is you can just stop that. So now we're just dead stopped. Now you want to stow it. Now here's where it gets tricky. Remember, we did 2 taps down. You only tap it once going up. You tap it twice, it's going to stop. You keep doing that, you'll lock that motor up. And then you got to start it up there by pushing the button on there, that green light up there. And there you go. And to turn it off, you just hold that to where it says shutting down. You release it. And you go into here. So now we're going to do the kicker, and that's what I'm saying about that falling down. Just bring that back, put it in gear. You can actually get up here and steer. You don't even need a tie bar. And then I got the throttle. I turned the friction down. That's why the throttle kicked back. That's this right here. So it's a good boat, just needs some little things, minor. And the compass, believe it or not, is right on the money. I was checking it like 182 south over there. And it was turning us without a tie bar. So good deal. little yellow finial, whatever that means. That just came into my head. That might be something big, I don't know. Okay, this is the Boat Doctor 2002 19 Mariner. Tighten down that anchor nest up there. Other than that, I think you're getting a good boat. Boat Doctor out.